We've been on the road for about 4 hours now, having left home at 11 p.m. last night. Sam and I usually avoid starting trips in the dark. It always feels unsettling. Night travel throws off our sleep, feels less safe, and offers nothing to look at but headlights and shadows. By morning, we're usually completely exhausted. But this time, we're carpooling with friends who choose to leave at night, so we went along with it. When we finally arrived, the sight of the pond and the thoughts of catching fish sparked a certain surge of energy and excitement in both of us. Surrounded by the unexpected beauty of the water and the mountain backdrop, I felt grateful to have witnessed such a serene scene.
Good morning from Bishop. We're back again to Buckley Ponds. We arrived at 3:30 this morning. Took a little nap in the van. We're coming here to see if we can catch some bluegill. And so let's see if we can catch any. The sun is about to rise. And see if the fish is still there. And that's Johnny. You saw him before in our Irvine Lake fishing. And that Paline's right there. It's cold, really cold here. And that's Nee. You remember him from our first video, Irvine Lake, where we caught the big fish.
Take some today.
So we'll see. Man, it's such a nice day. Cold though.
The bluegill is hitting every cast, so we're excited. It's just the beginning.
Look at that.
Good size. How frequent do you catch?
So right now, it's pretty good. Well, I found the length where they're starting to bite. I had this how long from the bobber to the hook.
Mm-hmm.
When I moved it down here, they weren't biting. Then I moved it back up. Now they're biting again. So I think they're. Yeah, that's the picture right there. But yeah, that's where they're. I think it's deeper down, so.
Okay.
That's where they're biting. That's the picture.
Fisherman.
Yeah, we don't have the energy anymore. It's only 8 o'clock, 8:30. It's getting too hot. Cannot hang. Do not get old.
As the heat became unbearable, we decided to head out and meet the rest of our group at Lake Mary. Sam and the guys fished for a while, but only Johnny managed to catch anything.
Beautiful color.
Yep. Out there deep.
That's about a little over a pound, huh?
Yeah, I want to say a little over.
Beautiful color. Good job, Johnny. Spoon?
Spoon.
Yeah. The water over there a little bit deeper. Hmm?
There we go. Cage.
Somebody got it? Johnny and David are float tubing over there. Me and I too tired. We're gonna leave.
Afterward, we headed to the cabin to check in. Once settled, we took time to unwind, catching up with each other, sharing stories over dinner, and preparing for an early start the next morning.
But it's hard to catch a lot of fish. All right, how big you gonna catch? Show me. Show me. How big you gonna catch it? Oh man, that's big. Wow, that's awesome. Look at all people. And the little kids trout derby in Mammoth at Snowcreek.
So we could choose either pond to go at. This is probably the better one just because there's not as much brush. Yeah, so we could speak to this one if they allow us to get to this one.
And Dad has a strategy already.
So we're gonna get the power bait and we're gonna get them out there. You ready?
Yeah.
And we'll check out the rest of the
Oh, already. Look at that.
Got action. Trout in the middle.
Nice one. Wow, look at that excitement. Look at that excitement. All right, ready?
Very small power bait.
All righty. And just like that, it's all over. Good job.
Look at that. Perfect hook set too, right? Spot
You guys know only underhand. No horns, no fly fishing. Got a lot of big fish in there. Some of them are so big they look like barracuda. So good luck to you.
There's no bait on the thing. Come on, Dada.
All right, where's your bag? You got a bag? White bag? No bag. No bag. We want something to gut it for us? Yeah, they'll trade it, but we want to take.
Yeah, just put it in the net.
Is that your net?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Yeah, just take it, walk over, get his picture taken. Okay.
Okay, wait for the brother so they get.
Pressure's on, right?
All right, Connor, give me 5. That was excellent.
We got another fish.
Oh,
I wanted to tell everyone that there's another pond up above.
yeah.
Okay, everyone knows that?
Yeah, I could do that, sir.
Look at that, all the excitement. Oh, that's a nice one right there. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, he's on, he's on. Watch out. Oh, watch out. Use your superpower. Yay! Look at that fish coming. Good job, Zachary. All right. Good job.
Let's get that off for him. See, you swallowed that. Yep. We got a hook remover.
Here.
Oh, you got yours too?
Oh.
Here you go, bud. Riley. Hold your fish. Connor, you want to hold your fish?
You can hold this
Pick
like
it up.
this.
Pick it up, buddy.
No, hold the whole thing. There you go.
Pick it up, buddy. You know how
Now
to
you can take pictures.
You know how to
All right, you go in with your dad, Connor.
go, buddy.
Fish is up top of you.
There you go. Go, uncle. Good job.
Yay! Oh, fish is on the loose.
He's not afraid to get dirty.
No.
Hold by the head. Hold by the head.
That's it. See you then. All right, let's go get it gutted and we'll get a bag and check out the rest of the event and let's go.
All right.
Grab it, Tacky.
Look at all the kids having a blast.
Is someone able to hold this? It's heavier.
Okay, I got it. Hey, only been out there 2 times. I really don't. No, well, you got, that's the only place to get them.
Yeah, that big, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no, I never got something close to them.
Yeah, and then I got a 13. So. Oh, yeah.
This is a good one, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look at that thing. You see it, Tabram? Out there, look at those 3-pounders.
Yeah.
Right in the middle. Look at that. Oh my God! Look
The
how.
schooling in there.
Oh jeez, that is awesome. They're all the way out there. There's just like a nice.
I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's a bunch of fish there.
Let's see on this side.
Make sure you get the good hand.
The good one.
What are we having today?
Bacon. Frying some bacon.
And then we're having
And we got some chorizo or
chorizo with potatoes.
with potatoes.
We're gonna
So
put it all
this is
together.
breakfast before we hit Convict Lake. We already got this guy. Zachary, say hi to the camera. He's already got his trout. Look at that. All gutted, ready to fry. So he's excited for that. And hopefully get some more today. But first, breakfast of champions. You get injured. So if you catch it and it swallows, you're supposed to keep the fish. But they were not listening to the rules. Because the dad, you can see he wanted to catch more. I could tell he was like, yep. Oh man.
Oh, these paparazzi.
He's having a Cambodian breakfast. Bài cái đằng.
Ngoài cái đang sạch tô beef jerky.
Cambodian breakfast is
Ready to
everything
eat.
goes, right? Whatever left over.
Very good when you're hungry.
Yeah. Because if they were just like over that right? Because that pond, the big one, the bigger pond was actually looked pretty decent, but that small one kind of was like a little iffy because there's no aeration going, so you're like they didn't put nothing unless they had it in there and they turned it off. But
It was.
It was huge.
Right here, Johnny.
Hundreds and hundreds of sheep. Nee, we gotta come back and camp here.
Yeah, let's do
For all
it.
time's sake.
Just
Brian doesn't like it, but I like it. It's one of my
We are back at Convict Lake. And this is our second time in 1 month back to Mammoth, and this time we're coming with another groups of friends, showing them the spot that we caught fish. So Sam is taking a few of them ahead of times with the kids, and I'm waiting for Nee and David to walk with them to the spot. Hopefully we'll catch something today.
One time I came here, I did this like 3 times in one day.
Oh my God.
Came in the morning,
Yep.
go back. Lunchtime, go back.
Here is our group. They are young and hardcore fishermen. That's where we're gonna stop and fish. It's not too far from the path, so it's easier for the kids to go down and fish. We have 2 little ones with us today. It's nice and cool. I think it's about 65 or 70 degrees at the moment and a little bit breezy. So the hike here is easy.
We should set up.
Fishing right here. This is my spot. There's Sam and David. And across from that, there's 2.
Nope. I'll put my mask on. Yeah. Look like a fisherman. No fish. I wish I had my chair and my hammock. Right there. No, that's how I fish.
I think you probably already been caught.
Guys, can I catch? Whoa.
It's like a baby.
Zachary, what did you see? What did you see?
A wasp and a catfish. And a cat.
Good job, Zachary. Connor, you got one
Good
too?
job.
No, Uncle Johnny, give it to me.
Oh, okay.
Dad.
Good job.
They starting to bite.
Okay.
Okay, I think it's biting time now.
Oh, it's doesn't look.
Yeah, it's a fish.
How come it doesn't feel like
It's a small fish.
Small fish, that's it.
Where?
Just keep reeling it.
Oh yeah. Now I feel it. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Oh, tiny
Yes.
one.
Let's go. It's swallow. Look at that.
Oh, everyone's coating their
Yeah, having fun?
Do you want Auntie to help you or no? Let him hold. He wanted to hold.
Oh, coming to fish the leftover fish from this morning kids tournament.
Almost there.
That's a good cast. Right there, there's a fish right. There's a lot of fish in there. I don't know if you can see it.
All right, good. Go ahead. Go ahead.
You said go ahead.
I don't know what he's fishing at.
Oh, that's a nice one. Use the big net. Use the big net. Use a big net. Just put it down on the thing. He'll get it to you. He'll get it to you. Put it all the way down, put it all the way down. Yeah, put it all the way down, don't leave it, down. Down like this, Yeah, okay. Yeah, push it. Now lift it. Yeah. Okay, stop reeling. Good job, guys.
Jaya, can we go back home now? No. Dang it. Yeah. Dang it. Say hi. What?
That's probably what, 2.5 pounds? That's a nice. 21, including 2 big ones. Look at that. A 5-pounder. Look at that, 5-pounder today. And look at another bag. 21 fish total. That's a 3-pounder, 3.5-pounder, 2-pounder. It's a lot. It's a lot of big fish.
Yep.
Yeah, these are quality fish.
I'm probably gonna catch my PB.
Unhook it.
How many have you caught
This
so
is
far?
number 4.
And
Oh, Mother Jesus, Mary, Saint Joseph. Put my finger. Got blood.
oh,
Two
no.
blood on this. All right, this is
4 in 30 minutes or 50?
Oh,
Throw it
not
in.
even.
How
I
many?
think I've been here, what, 10 minutes?
How much clothes do you even have?
How many?
And how much food do you have?
So it's out of the bag already?
No, put it in here.
No.
You guys are good at catching. We're gonna go ski.
We fish out this little hole. I think we get at least 25, probably 30 out of here, huh? And we gotta go find another spot because
Dave almost caught like 10 already.
yeah.
I caught like close to, we're all close to caught almost 10. So yeah.
Yeah.
So relocate so the kids can get some more fish on.
Okay, smart. You guys are staying inside. It's hot out here. Yeah. Close for her. She's upset. Oh. New location, and Sam caught it right away.
They're here, me.
Just down at the bottom. Look at that big boy. You need weights. Go to the bottom.
Oh, yeah, that looks big. Is this your first catch on this trip?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at these bugs.
Wow,
Right
nice. Good job.
Okay.
These guys saw a couple of bluegills, so they're gravitating toward that area right now.
We're at Aaron Shad Roadhouse in Bishop. This is my favorite place to eat. They have great food with great price, and I'm having a Texas Ranger burger right now. Wow. So good. The Korean is having the Oriental chicken salad.
We only had 2 nights and 2 days in Mammoth, but we were determined to make the most of it. Fueled by excitement, we even drove through the night just to be at the pond by morning, ready to catch bluegills. We were surrounded by enthusiastic fishermen, always on the move, searching for fish, casting lines, and reeling in catches. What made the experience truly special was how everyone made sure the kids were part of the fun, teaching them to fish and celebrating their catches. From sunrise to sunset, we fished hard, caught plenty, and had lots of fun.